G'day guys and girls. Here I am just out on one of my favourite trails, under the wires. It's a nice easy trail with a couple of bumps, a couple of valleys, creeks, jump over. Yeah, it's pretty easy going here. I'm coming down this little hill here and jump over a nice little creek. Been practicing my wheelies, getting better every time I go out, especially now that I've just overhauled the suspension. I put new springs and emulators in the front and a new rear shock, and it's like riding over a cloud today. Riding over a cloud. Here he is, showing off. Nice pull back there. Yeah, down here in the thick of it. Nice little trail down there at Sussex Inlet. Nice little jump here, just testing the new suspension. This was just the other day and I wasn't really happy with the back end of it. Had too much